everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel, that is Knowledge Hub. Friends, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon for the latest update. आज जो हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे वो रीजनिंग के क्लास डिस्कस करने वाले हैं. रीजनिंग में हम क्लासिफिकेशन को डिस्कस करेंगे. ऑलरेडी हम एनालॉजी के 250 क्वेश्चंस, मोर देन 250 क्वेश्चंस अटेम्प्ट कर चुके हैं और उसके आंसर भी फाइंड आउट कर चुके हैं. सो वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट विद करेंगे 177 क्वेश्चन स्टार्ट करेंगे एंड दिस इज योर क्लास 52. एंड सेकेंडली, अगर आपने हमारा चैनल अभी भी सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है या फिर आपने हमारा चैनल अभी फर्स्ट टाइम देख रहे हो तो प्लीज़ आप हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लो सो दैट हम जो भी वीडियोज़ डालें वो आपके पास सबसे पहले पहुँचे. एंड अगर आपको हमारा वीडियो अच्छा लगता है या आपको इन्फॉर्मेटिव लगता है तो प्लीज़ हमारे वीडियो को लाइक और शेयर करो सो दैट ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोग के पास वीडियो पहुँचे और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोग इसका यूटिलाइजेशन कर सकें. टॉकिंग अबाउट 177 क्वेश्चन, ऑप्शन ए है आपका ABCD, B इज़ योर EGIK, C इज़ योर ACDF एंड D इज़ योर CFIL. ये आपके CBI के क्वेश्चन पेपर में पूछा गया. So here you can see that the answer will be the ACDF, because the reason behind the answer is you can see also that the letter in the following sequences of +1 and B में आप जैसा कि देख सकते हो D +2 में आ रहा है एंड एज वेल एज सब में देखेंगे तो +3 आ रहा है, +4 आ रहा है. बट जो C है वो आपका कोई एक पर्टिकुलर सीक्वेंस नहीं फॉलो कर रहा. सो बेसिकली दैट वाज द आंसर. अगर हम A की बात करें तो ABCD में 1 का गैप है, देन D छोड़ के E छोड़ E छोड़ के F छोड़ के G है, देन G छोड़ के H है. सो जैसे E है तो D छोड़ के आपका E है तो F छोड़ के G है, फिर H छोड़ के I है, J छोड़ के K है. तो अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट इसके सीक्वेंस के हिसाब से A है तो B C छोड़ के उसको D होना चाहिए था, बट ये नहीं ऐसा फॉलो कर रहा. एंड अगर हम इसके बिहाफ पे देखें C के फॉर्म में तो C है D E छोड़ के F है एंड देन G H छोड़ के I है एंड J K छोड़ के L है. तो अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट ये हमारा सीक्वेंस फॉलो नहीं कर रहा, अदरवाइज सब फॉलो कर रहे हैं. सो हियर यू विल बी द आंसर इज C, and that is asked in the CBI question paper. So we will be further moving on. 178 question, that option A is RSXY, B is DEJK, C is MNST. So here it is not anything, it's MNST. Then after that NOUV, assistant grade के question paper में पूछा गया. So here you can see that your answer, if you are seeing this, so you can see that in all the other pair, the first and the second letter are the respectively move 1 and 5 one step forward to the obtain the second one, and the third and the fourth letter respectively 5 on one forward to the steps, and you can fourth letter move on with the first letter. So you can see that PQR, इसके बाद S है, फिर TUV छोड़ के XYZ है. तो उसी के हिसाब से अगर मैं इसको बोलूँ तो D है, E है, कंटिन्यूस में है, देन J के बाद K है विद लिमिटेड, MN है, ST है, बट विद रेफरेंस टू दैट अगर हम मूव ऑन करें NO है तो MNO एंड UV है, बट द डिफरेंस इज नॉट दैट फॉलोड. सो NO UV और आंसर. So here you can see that the option NOUV will be the answer, so you can mark it out. And after that, while talking about next question, that is your question number 179. Here you can see that small I है, then I है, then M है, P है, then small x, कैपिटल X, Y है, A है, H, फिर स्मॉल कैपिटल H, I और K है, देन स्मॉल B, कैपिटल B एंड C एंड E है विद कंटिन्यूस वन लिविंग वन एलिमेंट हेयर. बट यू कैन सी दैट I के बाद L है, इसमें यहाँ पे कैपिटल correspondence नहीं आया. So you can see that all the other groups containing only small letters. So but here it is not. So that's why the reason the option A is your odd one out. So you can mark it out here. It is asked in your PCS question paper. So next, moving on with further question, that is question number 180. Then option A is LINPR, B is SUWYA, C is KMOQS and the D is BDFHJ. ये MBA के क्वेश्चन पेपर में पूछा गया. So you have to answer me accordingly that what will be the answer, and you can see then all other group contain the alternate letters of the alphabet in order. So but in option B, that is odd one out, so here it is not containing the component which having an order one out, so your answer will be the B option, that is SUWYA. Next, moving on, question number 181. Option A is JANUARY. It is written January, but in the form of capital J, small j, capital A, small n, capital U, small a, and then capital R, and then capital Y. And here it is, option B is your small m, capital A, small r, capital C, and small h. Then after that, moving on with next, that is option C, that is this is written here the symbol that small d, capital E, and small c, that capital E, then small m, then capital B, small e, and then capital R. So here in D you can see that small m, a capital A, and then Y. So here you can see that what are the difference, what you have found here is all about, you have to tell me. So here you can see that ये बैंक PO के क्वेश्चन पेपर में पूछा गया है, and the answer will be accordingly. You have to tell me आपको क्या लगता है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू हैव टू टेल मी कि आपको क्या लगता है, देन अकॉर्डिंगली वी विल बी टेलिंग अबाउट द सॉल्यूशन आल्सो. सो ऑल अदर ग्रुप एंड विद स्मॉल लेटर्स, यू कैन सी दैट यहाँ पे सभी देखो, ये भी स्मॉल लेटर से एंड हुआ, ये भी स्मॉल लेटर से एंड हुआ, ये भी स्मॉल लेटर से, तो बट ये नहीं हुआ. सो योर आंसर विल बी द दिसंबर. सो इट इज़ इन स्मॉल ना, सो यू कैन so here December is your right answer, and bank PO में question paper में पूछा गया है. Then after moving on, next question, that is 182. Option A is A B D G K, and B is B C E H L, C is C D F I H, and D is your E F G I K. And CBI के question paper में पूछा गया है, so you have to tell me accordingly, so that what will be asked accordingly in CBI question paper. So you can tell me the answer if you know very well, and then if you don't know, so I will be here to tell you about that. But if you can tell, then it is appreciated that you are going through with a good knowledge, and you are able to answer the questions also, so it is appreciated also. Then you can inform me accordingly. So starting with the answer, so your answer will be the option number D, that is E F G I K, because here you can see that in all other group, the first and the second and the third, fourth letter are the respectively moved once, and the 2, 3 and 4 steps forward, and obtained in the second, third and the fourth and a fifth letter respectively. So but in E, that it is not move as correspondence to that they are moving. So CBI के question paper पूछा गया, so that's will be the order now. So next question, that is question number 183. Option A is FHUJU, B is ISEPU, C is SGRFI, and D is YNHIA. ये assistant grade के question paper में पूछा गया, and you will be telling the answer. So here you can see that without wasting time, no letters is repeated in any of the other group. So you can see that assistant grade के question paper में पूछा गया है, तो यहाँ पे कोई भी letter आपका रिपीट नहीं कर रहा है, बट हियर इन दैट केस आप देख सकते हो यू यहाँ पे रिपीट कर रहा है, बट हियर यू कैन नॉट सी एनी ऑफ द लेटर्स दैट इज रिपीटेड. सो दिस इज असिस्टेंट ग्रेड क्वेश्चन पेपर में पूछा गया. द आंसर विल बी द ऑप्शन ए, FHUJU. So moving on with next question, that is question number 184. Option A is VTOJE, B is USNID, and C is UPKEA, and D is OMIDB. SSC के question paper में पूछा गया, and here you can see that the answer accordingly. You have to tell me the answer. So here you can see that this is the only group the containing the 3 vowels, and the other are not containing the other vowels more than the 3 vowels or the 3 vowels. So the answer will be USNID. So here you can see that vowels, if we are counting, तो A E I O U होता है vowels. अगर किसी को नहीं पता है तो you can write it down. यहाँ पे 2 vowels हैं. Here you can see that 1, 2 और आपके 3 हैं. एंड दूसरा आपका नेक्स्ट बात करूँ तो यू पी के ई ए, यहाँ पे भी आपका जो वॉवल है वो एक या दो ही है और तीन है. एंड हेयर यू कैन सी दैट ओ एम आई ए डी बी. सो हेयर यू कैन सी दैट, तो सब में बाकी में वॉवल्स जो हैं आपके वो अकॉर्डिंगली ही है. तो हेयर आपका जो आंसर होगा दैट यू कैन सी ऑल्सो, एंड द आंसर विल बी द यू एस एन I D. So this is here the answer. Okay. Next moving on with further. So that next question, ये आपका जो question था वो आपका SSC क्वेश्चन पेपर में पूछा गया है. Next moving on with further, that is 185 question. Option A is S H I H S I R J, B is A Z B Y C, C is F T G S H, and D is D W E V F. So ये कैट के क्वेश्चन पेपर में पूछा गया है एंड यू हैव टू टेल मी अकॉर्डिंगली द आंसर ऑल्सो. सो कैट के क्वेश्चन पेपर में पूछा गया है, सो दैट इतना भी इजी नहीं होगा, बट यू कैन बी एबल टू, इफ यू आर एबल टू आंसर. So you can answer in all the other groups. You can see that the first letter that occupies the same position from the beginning of that particular alphabet as it is occupied by the second letter, and from the end of the alphabet. So here you can see that if you are going through with all that question, so yeah, the F T G S H is not follow the same similar to that. So F T G S H is your odd one out. Next question, that is 186 question, that is USAGE usage, B is URINE urine, and then UKASE, and then the D is usual, that is USUAL. that is assistant grade के question paper में पूछा गया है, and you have to tell me the accordingly answer also. So you can see also that then in the question number this, the all in all the other group the vowels occurs alternately. So here you can see that u है, फिर a है, and then e है. This is a vowel correction. u है, I है, e है, so it is not that odd one out. u है, a है, and e है, that is not odd one out. u है, and then l है, तो फिर obvious बात है, that is an odd one out. So here it is your answer. Next question, that is question number 187. The option A is driver, the D-R-I-V-E-R, B is P-R-O-U-D, proud, and C is G-R-A-I-N, train, and D is wheat, W-H-E-A-T, wheat. UDC के question पेपर में पूछा गया. So here you can see that if you are getting the answer, so you can tell the answer accordingly. And then question number, in this question number you can see that the answer will be as accordance to that correspondence. So you can see that the answer is there is only the group containing the two vowels. So the vowels containing the group of the vowels, you can see that so that I है, e है, इसमें यहाँ पे o और u है, इसमें आपका a है और I है आपका, और here you can see that e a है आपका. तो इसमें जो हम अगर आंसर देखेंगे तो ये यू कैन फाइंड आउट द ऑप्शन दैट इज़ योर ड्राइवर इज़ योर ऑड वन आउट. तो हियर यू विल बी सीइंग द आंसर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, दैट इज़ योर क्वेश्चन नंबर 188. Option A is ARISE, arise. B is awake, WAWAKE, wake. C is AUDIO, audio. B is VIDEO, video. That is asked in your UDC question paper only. So here you can see that the option awake is the right answer. Because of the correspondence, you can see the answer as it is. The अगर आपको reason पता है तो you can also tell the answer also. So the reason also, so it can be known that you will be able to answer that also. So here you can see that no letters is repeated in any other group, and but here it is repeated. सो यहाँ पे कोई भी लेटर रिपीट नहीं कर रहे हैं, यहाँ पे भी कोई नहीं, यहाँ पे भी कोई नहीं, एंड अवेक में 2 बार ए आया है. सो इट इज़ रिपीटेड, सो इट विल बी द ऑड वन आउट, एंड दैट इज़ योर आंसर एंड आस्क इन द UDSC क्वेश्चन पेपर. नाउ आफ्टर देन मूविंग ऑन विद 189 क्वेश्चन, दैट ऑप्शन ए इज RUUD, B option is IDHNI, C is PENAL, and D is KRISHNA. ये आपके SSC के क्वेश्चन पेपर में पूछा गया है. And here you can see that the penal is the right answer, because you can see that on all of the other letters on the rearrangement for the form of the same of the language. In the B you can see the Hindi, you know, the here you can see that the Hindi then forms in Urdu, and D forms also the Sanskrit also. So but it is not format that similar way. So here it is the right answer. Penal is the right answer. You can see the odd one out is your answer. Next we are going to move on with the next. You can say that here it is making the Urdu also. Okay, you can see that Urdu, and here you can see that Hindi is making out, and here it is Sanskrit. So here but here Penal is not making any of the words, so that's why it is your odd one out. Next question, that is question number 190th. You can see that also. So the option A is your Saturday. That I think you're able to see the questions also. So here the option A is your Saturday, SATURDAY, Saturday. B is your Thursday, that is THURSDAY, Thursday. C is TUESDAY, Tuesday, and the D is MONDAY, Monday. That is asked in your CAT question paper. Here you can see that the option, if I'm talking about the options, so your answer will be is accordance. अगर मैं बोलूँ तो आंसर विल बी योर मंडे. हियर यू कैन सी दैट मंडे. ये कैट के क्वेश्चन पेपर में पूछा गया है. बट द रीज़न वाई इज इट सो दैट द ऑप्शन यू मंडे इज योर odd one out, because each of the other group you can see that a consecutive two consecutive letters, example that TU is correspondence, and then Saturday में आप देख सकते हो RS is correspondence, and then after that R is in the Thursday, and TU is in your Tuesday, and just like for example if I am talking about you can see that TU साथ में आया है, and then here you can see that RS is coming with the same, and TU is also coming, but in one Monday it is not as that same. So CAT question paper पूछा गया, so that is your odd one out. And after talking about 191 question, that is option A is right, RIGH T, and B is your WHITE, white, and C is your PRUNE, prune, and D is WRONG, wrong. And ये assistant grade के question paper में पूछा गया है, and you have to tell me accordingly the what will be the answer should be, and if you know you can be answerable, and that will be the appreciated also. And as it is, you can see that the answer right is the odd one out, where you can see that in all the other groups the middle letter is a vowel. So middle letter is not a vowel, is a middle letter is a vowel. As accordance, if I'm talking about the questions of so you can see that here the answer right में नहीं है, यहाँ पे middle word vowel नहीं है. So but I इधर vowel है, U इधर vowel है, O इधर vowel है, so that is one odd one out, so your answer will be the right. Next, moving on, the next question, the last question for the session is also. So here the last question, that is 192. Option A is SCANT, scant. B is GUDGE, judge, and C is FLUSH, flush, and D is your CROWD. SSC के question पेपर में पूछा गया, and then you have to tell me accordingly the what will be the answer should be, and accordance to that you have to tell me the answer. Your answer will be the judge is your odd one out. The answer will be the judge, and but the reason why it is this is the only group containing the two vowels, and otherwise not containing the two vowels. A इसमें अकेला आपका vowel है, इसमें अगर मैं देखूँ तो U vowel है आपका, इसमें O और अकेला vowel है, but इसमें दो vowels है आपके UNE. SSC क्वेश्चन पर पूछे हैं, that was an odd one out. So class आज के लिए इतना ही. Thank you. Hope you enjoy this video. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and give your suggestion on a comment box. Thank you.